AI is evolving every single day. And if you're not using it yet, and I don't mean only Chat GPT, then you're already missing out on tools and solutions that can save you hours of time, that can amplify your message, and that can help to grow your business with a lot less effort. The ones that are experimenting, integrating it, and learning to co-create with AI, those are the ones that are moving fast. But if you're waiting too long, then it would be harder to catch up. But not only that, you might be building your business on outdated methods. And even I'm not sure if you're gonna see more of these kind of videos in the future, if you know that people are maybe more satisfied with having videos created by AI that look like me, that talk like me, but that give the information a lot better maybe, and also maybe a lot faster, because then videos can create it in minutes instead of hours of work. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a tech person and you don't need to automate everything. You just need to understand what's possible and start using it in a way that actually supports you, your clients, your mission. And that's what this video is about. Let me take you back for a second. Not so long time ago, I was doing everything manually. Creating content, writing emails, managing projects. And even though I've been in business and marketing for many years, I still felt like I was constantly behind, constantly thinking, planning, producing, and posting not so long time ago. And then AI came into my workflow. At first I thought it would just help me to move a little faster. But what actually happened is that I started thinking more clearly. I wasn't stuck in the small tasks anymore. I had space to be strategic and to create more from inspiration again and not just from obligation. And that shift changed the way I run my business. And you can do it too if you're still not doing it yet. So how do I use AI in my business? Chat GPT is like my right hand. I use it when I'm stuck, when I need a different perspective, or when I just want to get things out of my head and put it on a paper. And then there's content creation. I don't start from scratch anymore. Whether I'm posting on social media, writing an email, or outlining a program, I always collaborate with AI. And it still sounds like me. It's just faster. And what about research? For research, I use Perplexity. It's smarter, it's gives me faster research, especially when I want to see what's already being said about a certain topic, so I can position my content more effectively. And what about visuals and presentations? Descript saves me a lot of hours in editing these kind of videos or editing the Awake Insights podcast. And then you have Canva. Canva helps me to keep my visuals aligned with my brand. And I also use Notion AI. Notion AI helps me to structure my projects and my workshops. And the last one is Gamma. Gamma, it's my go-to for turning ideas into beautiful presentations in no time. But the best thing is AI agents. That's really the future. An AI agent is basically a digital version of yourself. And I've created one. I have a custom GPT just like me. It sounds like me, it thinks like me, and it gives you advice like I would do. So you can ask 24/7 about growing your audience, building confidence, stepping into leadership, improving your marketing. When is the next Awake Insights podcast? I'm not going to say who's going to be the guest, but you get it, right? So you can really have a conversation with me. It's like having me in your pocket. And yes, you can also monetize that. Just offer access, build it into your programs, let it coach people while you sleep. And this isn't future talk. It's really available right now. So here's why this matters to you. If you're a coach or an expert who is constantly trying to keep up, someone who wants to share more but feels blocked or overwhelmed, or you are a leader and you want to make a bigger impact without a burnout. AI can support you, not by replacing you, but by amplifying what's already inside of you and on a lot faster pace. In my own program, I show clients how to integrate AI into their workflow in a way that feels aligned. Some use it to streamline marketing and others use it for the structure. Some even use custom GPT to stay accountable between sessions. It's a new way of working and it gives you your time, creativity and clarity back. So if you want to see what's possible for you, I've made it easy. I created a free custom GPT, trained with my own voice and knowledge, and I'm giving you access. It's designed to help you reach more people, get clarity in your message, build confidence to share your voice, and answer your questions around leadership and marketing anytime. Just click the link, try it for yourself, and start working with AI instead of trying to figure it out all by yourself. This could be the beginning of a totally different way of running your business, one that's smarter, lighter, and more impactful. And if you want to learn more on how to create more free time for yourself and within your life and business, watch the video here.